This video shows how to replace the interposer on a PowerEdge XC2420. Before you begin, power off the system and disconnect all attached peripherals. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the system. To begin, first, remove the system cover. Loosen the blue thumb screw on the front of the system and lift the system cover out. To remove the interposer, you must first remove GPU riser 2. Starting with GPU riser 2, loosen the blue thumb screws both on the rear and the front of the system. Now, holding the blue touch points, lift the riser and keep it upside down on the chassis frame. Then, disconnect the GPU power cables connecting to the PIB and move the riser out of the system. For the interposer, first, disconnect the interposer cable and, holding the blue touch points, lift it out of the system. To replace the interposer, insert it firmly until it is fully seated. Reconnect the interposer cable. Next, for GPU riser 2, reconnect the GPU power cables and insert the riser firmly until it is fully seated. Then, tighten the blue thumb screws both on the rear and the front of the system. Finally, replace the system cover and tighten the blue thumb screw. You have replaced the interposer on a PowerEdge XC2420. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PowerEdge manuals.